afternoon, guys. Yes, it is a tropical storm here today, guys. Here in my place, you know, I am right here in my place. I am right underneath the umbrella, right in the own land of my own house, guys. Yes, and today Hurricane Melissa keeps striking, guys, you know. So Hurricane Melissa is still striking Jamaica, guys, you know. So right now, you know, the wind is starting to come in slowly again, guys. It's still coming, guys, you know. So it is definitely coming, and when it reaches here, guys, it's going to be category 4, guys. Category 4, oh my god, reaching at that, guys, is quite a lot. So I'm here to share some of this yard with you and show you guys how it's raining and what is happening, guys. And I'm still going to need to cut the bush down, guys, but because of this hurricane coming, you know, Hurricane Melissa is going to strike Jamaica, so I don't know what's going to happen, if I'm going to get to finish it, guys. But you'll get to see some hurricane, guys. And when the hurricane starts, I'm going to put my coats on, my water boots, everything in the car, guys, and I'm going to start doing the walking and everything. But anyway, thank you so much, and let us enjoy this video. Don't forget to always subscribe and share this video around. Tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much, and let us get into this video. I'm here at the front of the house, and I need to try and get, yes, I need to try and get to the back if I can. I don't know, this dog might come and think I'm giving him food, but I don't think I'm giving him, so I hope he's not coming out of the cave. He's over there. Okay, he is not gonna come out. Okay, he's not coming out. I think he got the picture. It's really windy, guys. The wind is starting to mount up while the rain is coming down. I'm just right underneath the umbrella at the moment. I'm waiting for Hurricane Melissa to strike. You can see already starting to also rain up there as well. Really heavy on top of the mountain. Yes, all raining, guys. Okay, there's somebody burning something over here. You know, all getting ready for Hurricane Melissa. And also, this is what, guys, I need to get this inside. So what I'm going to do, I need to get a hammer and knock this out, you know, at some point. So I need to do that here today. So let me go and get a hammer and try and knock this out, guys. I need to put this in the room. Nothing is wrong with it. It's just the back of these parts is really soft. So I'm going to knock that out and put it on the fire. You know, we have a fire around here. Yes, we got the fire side around here. So, oh, they are burning sawdust. Okay, that is what was, oh my god, look at flies, guys. This is why, you see, I'm not happy about this. This is why it's important to cut all these bushes down and everything, and that will make the house, so even when you walk outside that way on the street, guys, you'll be able to see the house, you know, coming down. So all this, just look at the flies, and guys, look at that. There's a lot of flies, my goodness. Right, I have to go inside, guys, and get a fly spray and spray it. You know, it's very important to spray it. It really needs some spraying. Just open in the back door, guys. Yes, so before I start knocking these out, guys, you know, I got the arm and things here to knock these off, you know. You know, pull this one aside. Okay, guys, so what it is, this bit, and I got the fly spray here to spray the flies, and it's raining a little bit, so I don't know. I really don't know, guys. I really don't know. But I need to go and spray the flies in, because there are a lot of flies, you know. So I don't know if they're still there, because it's still raining a bit, guys, you know. You know, so normally when the rain come down, you know, these flies disappear, you know. Okay, the flies are still there, guys. Yeah, so I got to spray them. Right, so I'm gonna do now, I need to knock this out as well, guys. It's another thing I need to knock out. Just wash my hand here a little bit, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Good, yeah. Yes, guys, let's leave it on top of this pot here. Yeah. Yeah, so this now, guys, I need to start knocking it out. And at the front as well, guys, I need to try and knock also. I need to try and knock a little hole through the front because the front part is going to be flooded, guys, you know. You know, yeah. Yeah? All right. Well, I forgot to get paraffin, guys, to burn this thing. I forgot to get. Yes, so we're going to also set the fire there as well. Yeah. Yeah, so all these guys are going to need to go in the fire. I mean, all these need to burn because remember, guys, you know, I don't know, with the rain it's going to be a big pain, so if anything, and they will be burned after the hurricane. I don't know if I'm going to try and get this fire, but the rain's starting to hold up a little bit now, guys, so I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah. Yeah. So all these guys, yes, guys, I'm ripping all this tongue off. Okay, guys, so all this bit, you know, and also we're gonna need to put a ply also on the back of this, you know, so the board and everything is still good here. So yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna manage to burn, guys, you know, because, you know, Hurricane Melissa is coming. So yeah, well, I got some paraffin, guys, I can put on top of it, and that will help it to burn, you know. Yeah. Yes, guys, so rain starting to mount down again slowly, you know, everything trying to come out. So this is what the front end look like. So this is going to need a washing down, and also I'm going to need to put this also in the sitting room, also the small one as well, guys, and then later on in the future we can put a new ply on this. You can see right here, guys, you know, you can see the ants have eaten out this bit right here. Look at that bit. See, that bit is a bit gone, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys, you see? You can see the wind and everything starting to come in. Everything coming in, guys. Yeah, look at that. And if you look over that side, guys, you can see how the rain is very strong over on the mountain as well, and all that. Yeah, very strong, guys. Really strong indeed. Yeah. Yeah. You see that, guys? So anyway, we're gonna try this anyway, guys. I'm gonna put it on top and see you know how it's gonna get burned, you know. Yeah. But anyway, if it don't burn, guys, it doesn't matter. As I say, I'll get some paraffin and I'm gonna put on it to set it off real quick. But because the rain and everything is disturbing at the moment, it's not. Well, that should cover it. Yeah, so that should cover it and everything, guys, you know, to keep it going. I'm gonna put this line up because this line is keep, you know, licking my head all the time. Yes. So you're gonna see how I do it now, guys. As the hurricane is coming, so okay, like that. See? See, look at that, guys. It's much better, isn't it? I don't understand why people never just use their brain and just put the line up like that. They have the thing so low just because they are short, you know. So I don't like that. But anyway, I managed to sort out the problem anyway. I can't keep walking into that every minute, man. There's lots of dirt out there. The paraffin, look, the flame is lighting. That is very good, guys. So finally the fire is blazing. That's really, really good. Right, even it raining, guys. The dark sky, everything, and it's literally raining. Believe it or not, it is raining. It's not raining very heavy, not very heavy at the moment, but so this is now washed off now, guys. So I'm just using the water just to give it a bit of rinsing now. It looks to me like it could do it one more. Yes, the top is very nice. Yeah, he could do it one more, guys. I think he can do it one more we need. While we're having that blazing fire over there, blazing so nicely over there. Look at that. Beautiful. Doing everything, guys. Yes, man. Hurricane Melissa, man, it's not going to be a nice hurricane, guys, but it's going to be at category 4 when it comes in. So I'm just getting ready. I managed to even get a generator as well, guys. Yes, so while the hurricane is on, guys, I'll get some shots out for you guys when the proper full blast come. At the moment we're just in a tropical storm at the moment. This is just a tropical one, guys. This is not the proper one. So when the proper one come, guys, you're going to get to see everything. Yes, that lovely blazing fire over there, still blazing. Yes, guys, I believe that will complete everything. So now I need to get out to the front and start knocking the wall out and see if I can get anything out the front. So this is looking good, guys. Look how nice and clean it is. Finally, it's completed. So this is very nice and clean. Look underneath there, guys. See? Nice and clean underneath there. So washing has been completed. So I'm going to go around the front now, guys. Right, while the fire is blazing. Yes, I'm going to go around the front. So yes, guys, we are finally at the front of the yard. So yeah, this is the front of the yard, and they was talking about knocking a hole somewhere through, I think right here. They said they wanted the water to go underneath here or something like that, but I don't think this hammer is going to be good enough for it, guys, you know. Okay, that's not possible. So then we need a sledgehammer still. It's not going to be easy, guys. It's a solid concrete, guys. Yes, it's a very solid concrete, so that's not possible. It's going to need like a sledgehammer to knock it out. Here. We're in the hot because it was raining, and then now, yes man, so tired guys, man. I've been doing such a lot in this yard, man. Yeah, so I've just been, yes, doing a lot of cleaning. Everything, guys, well organized, you know. Yes, wiping my face, guys, because it's so hot from cleaning that shelf and everything, guys, you know. So this is a part of my yard lifestyle, guys. Yeah. But anyway, guys, let me see if I can try and hit it some more. That hammer is really too small, guys. It needs a really big sledgehammer to do the job, you know. But I'm gonna try and find a different way, guys. I'm gonna try and find ways, you know, to do this. All right then, guys, so catch up with me. Yeah, and get no sledgehammer to knock out this wall, guys. So I got to try and borrow a sledgehammer for someone to knock this wall out, because this wall, so I got my two hammers them over here, guys, you know, they're on the wall, so those are not going to do anything. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Remember to always subscribe and share this video. So thank you so much, guys, for still watching my country lifestyle. And also remember, guys, the Hurricane Melissa, I'm going to keep updating you with that, guys. So this is my country lifestyle with Hurricane Melissa is coming to Jamaica, guys. Yes, rain and a bit of wind is going on and off, guys. So yes, it is on its way, guys. It's coming here at Category 4. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing out from Jamaica, here in St. Thomas in Yellows, my country lifestyle.